hope you are ready. Okay. This is a whisper challenge. This is a whisper challenge. This is a whisper challenge. So please whisper. Yes, instead, don't speak too loud. Don't speak too loud. This is a whisper challenge. Please don't speak too loud. And for the participants, happy people had a food and a chocolate. Was it right, sir?
Happy people open and take a bed.
A happy people hop and hiccup. This is 60% right. Thank you, sir. Alright, let's move on.
I saw someone in the kitchen shake hands.
Okay, I saw someone in the kitchen shake hands. Let's see.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Okay, we should see the sunshine.
We should see the sunshine soon.
Surely. And there is no word can describe how happy we are with your presence. Alright, Mr. Ian,
Yeah,
the
thank you.
time is yours.
Thank you, Fajar. Right, okay, dear teachers, right? Is it fun to do with that? Okay, so you find how the words corrupted then? And you change, right? Okay, then there's a stages of gossiping, yeah? Alright, dear teachers, with us here, there's Ibu Itje who's going to share
To other countries, because the transformation is in line what UN actually mandated. Jadi kalau kritik politik, kritik sudahlah nggak apa-apa itu, politik akan terus berjalan. Nanti kurikulum berubah lagi, biarin aja. But look at the education side, the preparation for the life of others. And I want to share this message because I witnessed myself. Bukan hanya witness, tetapi I was there in the meeting with so many countries talking about transformation in the education transformation. And educators, is it easy to change the paradigm of educators? No! And that's why I'm invited today. And that's why I am today would like to color the transformation in the level of English teachers, very specific. Siswa memahami bahwa bahasa Inggris lisan dapat membantu mereka berinteraksi dengan orang lain. Coba capaiannya kan fluid sekali, ya. Kemudian dalam situasi sosial sehari-hari dan konteks kelas, dalam mengembangkan keterampilan menyimak dan berbicara.
is what the structures, the target language, and vocabulary. And then the problem is when it comes to listening, right? Listening, you have to pick audio or video, and then it's not as easy as you think, right? Target language udah disiapkan, cari video atau audio, nggak ketemu yang pas seperti yang kita mau nih. Kadang ketemu speednya agak terlalu cepat, padahal level kita adalah A1 nih anak-anak, right? Akhirnya keputusan akhirnya adalah daripada nggak ada ya diambil, gitu kan? Pokoknya simple present, pokoknya gitu simple present. Mau verbnya sama dengan target language kita, lain persoalan. Pokoknya ada audio penunjang daripada nggak ada, gitu kan? And that's one mistake that we did sometimes, right? Okay, benchmark for young learners, right? Kalau di awal untuk guru dan siswa namanya level test. Nanti secara instan, it is not paper based, it is online based test. You will get the result instantly. In few minutes after you done, you get the result like this one. How many people will take the test? 500, fine. In one time is done. Waktunya kurang. Oke. Nah, setelah level ini, what next? Kan terlihat gitu. Oh, saya kok di A1. Oh, saya ini ternyata masih A1 plus. Ya salah, Bu, masih ada gurunya A1. Ini A1. Pak, ada. Banyak tuh, Bu. Itu mengkonfirmasi gitu. Banyak ya, Bu ya. Right. Bahkan yang tahu